How to draw a discus fish, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing the mouth of our discus fish. This will connect to the top outline of the head. Nicely done! Next we're going to draw a line that will connect to the line where we first began for the mouth. This line will make the outline of the top of our fish. Next, connected to the end point of where we just stopped, we're going to begin to draw the top of the back fin. We're not going to finish the back fin just yet, we'll come back to this in just a few moments. For the next step, we're going to go ahead and draw the outline of the top fin of our fish. This outline will be drawn on the curvy line that we previously drew together. Feel free to pause or rewind the video if you need to. On the inside of my top fin, I added in lines. You can pause and add these lines as well, or you can just continue. For the next step, we're going to go ahead and draw two fins right below the bottom portion of what we previously drew together. Let's go ahead and draw a curved line that will connect the mouth to the fin that we just drew. Nice! Now let's go ahead and draw the second fin. The second fin will be attached to the first fin. Now attached to the first fin that we drew, we're now going to draw the outline of the bottom of the discus fish. This bottom outline will connect to the back fin. Now in between the top and bottom of the back fin, we're going to go ahead and draw in the middle section. Whoa, so far this is coming along great. Now let's go ahead and draw a curvy line going up and down to separate the back fin from the rest of our fish. On the inside of the back fin of our fish, let's go ahead and draw lines to help separate the colors. This will look similar to the top fin. And if you are enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Now similar to the top fin, we're now going to draw a bottom fin that will look the same. Let's go ahead and add in lines to help separate the colors for the bottom fin as well. So as of right now, we have the major portions of the outline of our fish drawn. Next, we're going to move to the inside of our fish and draw the smaller details. Let's draw a squiggle line that will separate the front of the face from the rest of the body. Now let's go ahead and draw the eye of our fish on the inside of the shape that we just made. We're going to draw a circle and fill it in completely black, leaving a small white dot in the center. Now around the eye that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw a circle. I'm going to draw a small design for detail above and below the circle that we just made. Well done! Now let's go to the big open space in the center of our fish. Let's go ahead and draw the side fin. So as of right now, we have a lot of open blank area on the inside of our fish. Let's go ahead and add in small designs. Keep in mind that discus are very colorful fish, so you can make your design as crazy or simple as you would like. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause and match your colors. And if you're new to the Learn How to Draw Hub channel, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like this one. So if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot, and I highly recommend subscribing. This is how to draw a discus fish, step by step. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.